Hi. That's her way of saying hi. We are at. Okay. We are at the wrestling place.
It's a dump.
There's outside. What a beautiful day, I guess. I don't know. I wouldn't know because I'm lazy. What you doing? What you be doing? Oh my god, she's locking her and out. If your mom gets mad at you, it's not my fault. Let's go. Ow! Ow! Okay, this hurts.
Hey, it smells like dirt.
Alright, there's the bathroom.
Yeah, I'm talking like outside.
Say
I'm
hi.
splitting fucking atoms. Just slap it out like
What do you want to say?
To who?
I don't know. People.
What people?
The world.
The world? You guys suck.
Oh my god. How is so mean?
Your
Are
dad's
you
being a
on-
meanie right now. That's why.
There's
Did
my
you see
dad.
that? You see that right there? Don't paint over it. That's my hop right there.
What?
Never mind.
Wait, son.
Randy don't understand English.
A tortilla?
Hey, Big Feet Jack is on the bathroom. You call me?
Hey, Ronnie.
Hey girl.
My bad.
What up?
Not much, just painting, girl.
Cool. Bye.
Why? This is the first one? What?
This is my first vlog, and it smells like paint. I'm gonna film.